In this video, I'll break down my top 5 countertop dishwashers, my experiences, and which countertop dishwasher I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked countertop dishwasher, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best countertop dishwasher and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the SPT SD-2224DS. This is our 5th rated countertop dishwasher, but it still offers impressive cleaning power in a compact design. This ENERGY STAR certified appliance features 7 wash cycles, including heavy, normal, light, mini party, rinse, speed, and soak. With a capacity of 6 place settings, it's ideal for small households or apartments. The stainless steel interior enhances durability and cleaning efficiency. The dishwasher's delay start function allows users to schedule wash cycles up to 8 hours in advance. Its LED display provides clear information on remaining time and current running state. The universal faucet adapter and quick connect system ensure easy installation without permanent plumbing. At 55 decibels, it operates quietly compared to full-size models. The rinse aid and water supply warning indicators help maintain optimal performance. Measuring 19 by 21 by 17 inches, this freestanding unit fits conveniently on most countertops, making it an excellent space-saving solution for kitchens with limited space. At number 4, we have the Danby DDW631SDB. The Danby countertop dishwasher offers excellent cleaning performance in a compact design. This ENERGY STAR compliant appliance features 6 place settings and 8 wash cycles, including options for heavy, normal, eco, and rapid cleaning. Its stainless steel interior ensures durability and hygiene. With a low water consumption of 3.1 gallons per wash, it helps save on utility costs. The LED display and electronic controls make operations simple and intuitive. At 54 decibels, it runs quietly compared to many full-size dishwashers. The delay start option allows users to schedule washes at convenient times. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or RVs where space is limited. The Quick Connect feature enables easy installation to most kitchen faucets. At number 3, we have the Midea MDC22P1AWW. The Midea is an efficient countertop dishwasher ideal for small spaces. With a 6-place setting capacity, it can clean up to 70 pieces of tableware, accommodating plates up to 10 inches in diameter. The dishwasher offers 8 washing cycles, including heavy, normal, baby care, eco, glass, and speed, providing flexibility for various cleaning needs. Its compact size makes it suitable for dorms, RVs, and apartments. The unit features a simple installation process, connecting directly to a faucet with a suitable adapter. ENERGY STAR compliant, it consumes only 2.77 gallons of water per cycle, promoting cost savings. The dishwasher operates quietly at 52 decibels and includes useful functions like express cleaning, extra drying, and child safety lock. At number 2, we have the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher. This is our runner-up pick and offers impressive cleaning performance in a compact package. With a 5-liter built-in water tank, this portable unit requires no direct plumbing connection, making it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, and RVs. The dishwasher features 5 washing programs to handle various cleaning needs, from quick cycles to heavy-duty washes. Its 4-place setting capacity can accommodate dishes up to 10.25 inches in diameter, fitting a surprising amount of kitchenware despite its small footprint. The unit's dual high-pressure spray arms ensure thorough cleaning, while the high-temperature wash and PTC hot air drying functions provide sanitization and efficient drying. The glass door allows for easy monitoring of the wash cycle, and the top-mounted touch controls offer convenient operation. With a noise level of 50 decibels, it runs quietly compared to full-size dishwashers. Energy efficient at 950 watts and 0.38 kilowatt-hours per cycle, this dishwasher balances performance with conservation. The ETL certification ensures safety standards are met. At number 1, we have the COMFEE CDC22P1AWW. This is the best countertop dishwasher you can buy for the price and offers impressive cleaning performance in a compact package. With a 6-place setting capacity, it can handle dishes for 2 to 3 people, making it ideal for small households, dorms, or RVs. The unit features 8 washing programs, including heavy, normal, baby care, eco, glass, and speed, providing versatility for different cleaning needs. Its 360-degree spiral spray wash system ensures thorough cleaning from all angles, while the high-temperature wash tackles stubborn stains effectively. The dishwasher's Energy Star certification and low water consumption of 2.85 gallons per hour make it eco-friendly and cost-effective. Its compact size allows for flexible placement on countertops or in cabinets. The touch control panel and LED display offer easy operation, while the 49 decibel noise level ensures quiet operation. The stainless steel interior enhances durability and hygiene. With features like a child safety lock and extra drying function, this dishwasher combines convenience with performance. So that sums up my top 5 countertop dishwashers I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.